Sacred Heart High School welcomes you all. Today let us study English Bal Bharati for Standard 4th, and our lesson is Sultan Ghiyasuddin in the Qaz's Court. It is a story about Sultan Ghiyasuddin. Hundreds of years ago, in the eastern province of Bengal, Sultan Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah ruled the land. Province means territory. His capital was Sonargaon. Sultan Ghiyasuddin was a good ruler. He ruled wisely and well. He respected men of learning. Now, men of learning means well-educated men, knowledgeable men. He had a deep regard for law. Regard for law means care or consideration for. One day, while the Sultan was practicing with his bow and arrows, he accidentally wounded the only son of a poor widow. The wounded boy did not survive. He did not survive means he did not continue to live after a dangerous experience. Weeping and wailing, the poor widow went to the Qazi and told him what had happened. Wailing means she was crying and sobbing long and loudly. The Qazi was an honest and upright man. Upright means he was honest and he was just. He sent an officer to summon the Sultan to his court. Summon means to order someone to come or to send for someone. When the officer reached the palace, the guards stopped him and inquired about his business. When they learned that he had come to serve a summons on the Sultan, they were shocked. Now, summons means a written notice ordering someone to appear in the court. There is difference between summon and summons. As I said, summon means to order someone and summons means a written notice of a ordering. Okay. Now, they refused to let him go inside the palace. The officer was now in a fix. Now in a fix means in a difficult or an awkward situation. The guard did not allow him to enter the palace, but he knew that he could not return without serving the summons. Means he had to give this summon. The Qazi would not take him back. He had to find a way of reaching the Sultan somehow. What could he do? He thought and thought. At last, he began to sound the azan, the call for the prayer, loudly, just outside the palace. It was not yet time for the prayer. When the Sultan heard the loud, untimely call, he was greatly surprised. He ordered that the man giving the call should be brought before him immediately.